Hello student, today we will do question number 15 from exercise 7.10 NCERT math books class 12. So without further ado, let's get started. Question number is we have to find definite integration of this let I is equal to pi by 2 is 0 sin x minus cos x divided by plus sin x into cos x dx. This is I is equal to this. Now by property P4 property is that this 0 fx dx is equal to f a minus x dx. So we will use here this property. So I is equal to then this will be then 0 pi by 2 sine, in place of sine we will write pi by 2 minus x minus cos pi by 2 minus x divided by 1 plus sine pi by 2 minus x into cos pi by 2 minus x dx. This will be 0 pi by 2 sine pi by 2 is cos x. This is minus sin x divided by 1 plus sine pi by 2 cos x into cos this is sin x dx. This we will suppose 2. This is we will suppose this is 1 and this is 2. Now we will adding 1 and 2 we get, if we will add this, so this will be 2i is equal to 0 pi by 2 sin x minus cos x by 1 plus sin x into cos x dx plus 0 pi by 2 cos x minus sin x by 1 plus sin x into cos x dx. Now we'll combine this both. So 2I is equal to 0 pi by 2 sin x. This will be LCM 1 plus sin x into cos x, sin x minus cos x plus cos x minus sin x dx. And this will be cut, this will be cut. So we will get here 0 pi by 2 0 by 1 plus sin plus sin x into cos x dx. 2I is equal to then 0 pi, this will be 0 dx, so this will be 0. Therefore I is equal to 0 by 2 is equal to 0. This is answer. I hope you must have understood these solutions. Today up to here. We will meet in the next session with the next questions. Till then, take care. Thank you.